In this episode of Auto Addiction, we take my modified BMW 335i to the racetrack.
Well, guess what? We're lined up beside the Audi.
If you all talk, you get left in the rear view, waiting for that new rap to drop. It's a preview. You say you be everywhere, but we don't ever see you. Everything I was the first, just the sequel. We live fast and die young. Better make your count. The goal is to make change in the world and my bank account. I mean in large amounts. My daughter gotta eat too, and I'm tired of slaving for rich people.
Welcome back to Auto Addiction. Thanks for joining. I really appreciate all the love and support in the last video, guys. It's almost at 20,000 views, so thank you so much for that. To all the guys that said I didn't know what I was talking about or that I spent too much money, here is under the hood of an 11-year-old modified BMW that's been to the racetrack multiple times. So this is the back of the valve cover here, probably the most common place for BMW 6-cylinder engines to leak. As you can tell, this one is bone dry. I did replace this gasket last time when I was in here. And this is the oil filter housing and oil cooler. Again, the gaskets here, very common to leak. And this is actually what caused the major issue last time. And these are the pulleys and the belts. As you can see, they are bone dry. Bada bing, bada boom, like nothing happened.
A town mechanic, great success.
Proactive maintenance is the key to having a good ownership experience with any pre-owned vehicle, especially a BMW. Now, this is my first time ever going to the racetrack. We're going to TMP in Ontario, Canada, where they have a road course and a drag strip. But first, let me show you what mods I have. It's got an AFE intake, forged blow-off valves, high performance downpipes, the BMW performance exhaust, JB4 with MHD flash. It's running map 2 on 93 octane. And since filming this video, I also removed this terrible badge, put an M Sport steering wheel and wrapped leather, and M Sport door sills, as well as a rear spoiler.
Alright, it's 7:45 in the morning. Just met up with Zach in Etobicoke on Lakeshore. We're gonna head up soon. So here's what happens at the racetrack. Things break. Just had a turbo pipe pop off Zach's car. He was making no boost, so we're trying to figure that out. This is what people do, man. They swap their tires out right here, pull the interior out to lighten up the car. Guys are sharing tools, helping each other out, so everyone can get back on the road. It's one of the very few times in life where you have someone you're competing with and yet you help each other out, because you don't want to come here and not compete.
Are working now. Okay.
I just did my first pass ever in the 335 and I was so excited I totally forgot to record it. But luckily I had the slip right here. First time ever down the drag strip, street tires. What did I get? 13.7. But now we're just waiting for them to clean something up on the track. I didn't get to race the Audi. What did he do? The Audi did a 13.8. I did a 13.7 on my last run, so I want to race that Audi. We're in the same category.
I decided to set up the microphone right beside the blow-off valves.
Well, guess what? We're lined up beside the Audi. Bye-bye, Mr. Audi! good. Let's see if it was good. Thanks, brother. Oh, 13-1. 13-1, guys. 13-1, which means I can break into the 12s. This is a fast car, man. This car is faster than I thought. And look, my miles per hour is the same as my first run, which means that it all was down to the launch. I didn't go any faster at the end of the strip. It was just my launch. So I got out of the hole faster, I picked up speed faster.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what else you want to see with this car. I have added a couple of more mods, which is secondary cat delete, and I've added a no lift shift wiring kit. So check out those next time on Auto Addiction. But if you want to see more on those items, definitely check out our Instagram page at Auto Addiction TV.
If you all talk, you get left in the rear view, waiting for that new move to drop. Here's a preview. You say you be everywhere, but we don't ever see you. Everything I was the first, it's the sequel. They ain't ready. We live fast and die young. Better make it count. The goal is to make change in the world and my bank account. I mean in large amounts. My daughter gotta eat too, and I'm tired of slaving for rich people.